Two engines, two Rolls-Royce 250 C2OP engines. They produce 420 horsepower. It has a solid titanium rotor head. An extremely, as you can see, high level of maneuverability. It's a relatively small helicopter, being only 39 feet long. It only weighs 5,500 pounds. And it goes a blistering 150 knots. The Red Bull helicopter is not, but it can be armed with missiles and guns. Aaron has flown in test flight programs for NASA and Lockheed Martin, and he was the aerial coordinator for several aviation projects that broke world records.
Red Bull helicopter. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Fort Lauderdale Airshows.
Fitzgerald brings the Red Bull helicopter down to show line. He's going to pull back up. Well, he's not exactly just pulling back on the stick there. Helicopter pilots use both hands and they use them frequently. He's going to go up there. He's going to rotate around. Bring it into a hover. Back again. One more time over on top of those runners. Watch the amount of altitude lost, but Aaron is in total control the entire time. I'm going to go with Wenatchee, Washington. Watch as Aaron Fitzgerald brings the BO-105 Red Bull helicopter back to show center for bow. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the Red Bull Air Force.